phone. I want to see them both do it.
Here, it's doing it. Just did it. Go ahead, give it another spin. Oh, that looks so cool. Yeah, give it another spin.
Oh, the orange one stopped.
Yeah.
Then, and the white one stopped.
Okay, go give him another spin.
Let me do it with the orange and the blue one.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, you can watch it from this way. Ready?
Look, they're both doing it.
Why do you think it looks like that? And why it looks like it changes direction? 'Cause it doesn't feel that way when you're holding it in your hand, does it? It doesn't look like it either.
Okay, can I do it with the blue one and the white one? I want to see them both.
Here. Blue's there. Blue's doing it.
And the white was doing it.
That's pretty cool, kiddo.